In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on ordering and shipping from China with 1688 without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Anyfish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about importation business. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to order and ship from China, a beginner guide using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on my 1688 shopping app right here. Alright, so having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you search for the item and add your item to cart. So there are two basic ways to search for an item on 1688 Chinese shopping app. One of the first way is to type the keyword of the item you want to purchase in the search bar right here, and you're going to see similar results. Then the second way by which you can use to search for an item on 1688 is to make use of this camera icon, which stands for image search. So in a situation whereby, this is a situation whereby you upload the picture of the item into the system, then you are going to see a similar result. So having searched for an item, next thing you want to do is to add an item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video out on my channel. I have made step-by-step video on how to add an item to cart. After you successfully add an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to fill your cart. Having click on your cart, every item is going to be found right here. So I'm going to purchase these particular items right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select the item. So having selected the item, I'm paying the sum of 14.85 yuan to purchase this item. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure my Alipay is checked right here. Then lastly, I click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to close the pump up. Then I have to head over back to my profile. For me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. Then by the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. So this is the items right here. So this is a step-by-step guide on how to shop and order from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. Lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or Anyfish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.